Melaluca Canal Beach Club and Restaurant is one of Rayon's most popular seaside destinations, offering a perfect combination of a beachfront cafe, restaurant, and beach club all in one place. Surrounded by stunning ocean views and a peaceful canal, this beautiful location creates an atmosphere that instantly makes visitors feel like they are on a relaxing vacation. From the moment you arrive, the refreshing sea breeze and calming sound of the waves set the mood for a truly enjoyable experience. The design of the venue blends modern tropical architecture with natural elements, featuring wooden structures, woven decorations, soft neutral tones, and open spaces that connect beautifully with the surrounding landscape. The spacious layout provides several seating areas to suit different preferences. Guests can choose the comfortable indoor air-conditioned zone, a peaceful canal-side corner, or the highly popular beachfront area where uninterrupted ocean views create the perfect setting for relaxation. One of the highlights of Melaluca is its thoughtfully designed photo spots located throughout the property, wooden walkways extending toward the sea, cozy beachside sofas, stylish bean bags, and Bali-inspired decor create countless opportunities for capturing beautiful vacation-style photographs. The restaurant offers an impressive selection of dishes ranging from authentic Thai cuisine and fresh seafood to international fusion favorites. Every dish is carefully presented, making the dining experience as visually appealing as it is satisfying. For cafe lovers, the beverage menu is equally impressive. Freshly brewed coffee, refreshing lattes, tropical fruit drinks, and signature coconut-based beverages provide the perfect refreshment while enjoying the coastal atmosphere. During the afternoon, sunlight reflects beautifully across the water, creating a bright and vibrant atmosphere. As the day progresses, the scenery becomes even more breathtaking as the golden hues of sunset begin to transform the sky and ocean into a stunning natural masterpiece. Sunset is undoubtedly one of the most magical moments at Melaluca Canal Beach Club and Restaurant. The warm colors of the sky blend seamlessly with the sea, creating a peaceful and romantic setting that encourages visitors to slow down and simply enjoy the moment. As evening arrives, the atmosphere takes on a completely different tone. Decorative lights illuminate the venue, while live music adds energy and warmth to the beachfront environment. The combination of ocean views, gentle sea breezes, delicious food, and relaxing music creates an unforgettable lifetime experience. What makes Melaluca truly special is not only its beautiful location but also the feeling of escape it provides. Every detail, from the architecture and natural surroundings to the food, drinks, and overall ambience, has been designed to create a destination where guests can relax, recharge, and enjoy life at a slower pace.